Today, I am making fresh strawberry jam which is tangy and has a fresh flavor of strawberries. We do not need any preservatives, any special equipments and any other preparations for this. Hello and welcome to Bellytimberhouse. All we need is just 3 ingredients. Here I have 1 pound which is about 450 grams of fresh strawberries which I have washed properly. Now I'm going to remove the green part of the strawberries one by one. Chop these strawberries in small pieces. Once you chop the strawberries, add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Here I am using regular granulated sugar. If your strawberries are sour, then increase the quantity of sugar. Toss the strawberry chunks so it will be properly coated with the sugar and lemon juice. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat a heavy bottom saucepan and put the mixture. Stir continuously and let it simmer on a medium flame. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring it until it becomes thick. Now, at this stage, if you want, you can blend it in a blender. But if you want little strawberry chunks in every bite, then keep it like this only. Now switch off the flame. Let it cool down completely. Our strawberry jam is ready. It can be stored in an airtight container for up to 20 days in the fridge. It goes perfectly with the toast, donut, bagel, sandwiches, cupcakes and many more. Now that I think about this, I am going to make strawberry jam filled donuts. Stay tuned for that. If you make this jam, send me a picture on Instagram tagging Bellytimberhouse and hit the bell icon for more updates about my upcoming recipes.